Alright, how's everybody doing this evening? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, or this evening rather, what I have for everyone is my first impressions with the INIU fast wireless charger. Okay, this is a 10-watt fast wireless charger. Now I hope y'all guys and gals enjoyed the first part of the video where I did a quick unboxing for y'all. I kind of sped it up a little bit just to make this video go faster. Now y'all know I have a bunch of wireless chargers, but one thing that I was looking for in particular is a slim and discreet one that I can use. Because in particular, the wireless chargers I have, they don't work well with my Bold N1, and I'm not exactly sure why. But I found this one on Amazon, and I figured, why not? Okay, so this is the INIU fast wireless charger. Now, this is supposed to support 5-watt regular charging, 7.5 watt fast charging for your iOS devices, and 10-watt fast charging for your compatible Android devices. Okay, so this one should be really nice, and a big feature that I like about it already is that it features USB Type-C, as y'all can see right there. So first impressions, I've literally just taken it out the box, as you guys and gals have seen, and it pretty much comes with the user manual, USB Type-C cable, and the unit itself. And yo, look how slim this is. This is awesome right here. So if I want wireless charging on the go, I charge up one of my power banks, drop this in there, and we're good to go. But even better than that, this has USB Type-C, so this is making me one step closer to USB Type-C everything. Alright? So, real quick unboxing and first impressions. First impressions, it seems pretty good. It's okay? So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut to a little clip showing y'all how I have it set up. But if you guys and gals like this real quick unboxing style video and you want to see more like this, please let me know down below in the comments. If y'all enjoyed this video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. And as always, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick this wireless charger up for yourself will be available down below in the video description. Alright, so the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Okay, I hope everyone has a great evening, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace.